Video, I'll show you how to create a QQ account using QQ International on your PC. QQ is one of the most popular messaging apps in China, and with an international account, you can connect with people worldwide. First, open your web browser and go to the QQ International website. You can search for QQ International on Google or go directly to http://qq.com. Once the website is loaded, look for the sign up or register button and click on it. Now you'll see a registration form. Here, you need to enter your email address. Make sure you use a valid email because QQ will send a verification code to it. After entering your email, create a strong password. Your password should have at least 8 characters, including letters and numbers, to ensure your account is secure. Next, select your country/region from the drop-down menu. This is important as QQ International uses it to format your account information correctly. You may also need to enter your date of birth. Make sure all the information is accurate. After filling out the form, you'll see a CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're not a robot. Carefully type the characters or solve the puzzle, then click Next or Submit. You will receive a verification code via email. Go to your email inbox, open the message from QQ, and copy the code. Return to the QQ registration page and paste the verification code in the required field. Once the verification is complete, your QQ International account will be successfully created. You can now download QQ International for PC if you haven't already and log in using your new account. Once logged in, you can customize your profile picture, nickname, and status, and start adding friends using their QQ number or email. And that's it. You now have your QQ International account ready to use on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy account creation!